against everything I stand for. Hey Jake.
Yeah.
I hope this wardrobe's going here. This is the first job back from Christmas, and it was lovely being off. And also it's lockdown for England again, which is great. So a lot has changed from being at Christmas. I had a great Christmas. It was very fun considering whatever rules that were in place. I've managed to get an apprentice, which is a lad called Jake, who's working with me. Britain's back in lockdown, national, but I can still work. Now the reason I'm wearing a mask in someone's house is because they're in a completely different room, and that's fine. But when I come in contact with them, mask on, that's just how it is. The reason for getting an apprentice, well, why not? Anyway, I hope everyone else's Christmas was good, because it was very weird wherever you are in the world and however you celebrated. I know for us we were only allowed one day. It turned out originally we were allowed 24th to the 26th, and then it went just to the 25th that we're allowed to mix, and now it's got out of control. It's very fun. Anyway, today's job is fitting wardrobes. I've never done these sliding wardrobes before. It's kind of easy. Well, oh, I shouldn't have said that. It feels quite simple, which is dangerous, so we'll see how it goes. See, me check. Cable, can I have your pen? The answer is no. I'm hoping there's one there. It's almost like I know what I'm doing.
Push the actual back thing up.
Yeah. Is that in?
Yeah.
All the way in?
I mean, yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. If it clicked in.
Can they pull up? Or not?
So are you gonna get?
Oh, it's just like...
That's
3 more. 4 more. The doors are the oak finished ones, pre-finished, and these are the ones that everyone always goes for. Like I've already fitted them in a previous video. Snug as a bug in a rug. Smelly as a jelly baby in a welly. JK, do you want to bring the planer up here? Yep. In fact, no, there's no point, pal. That was a test. Did I do it the right way? Nope. Why you tell me that, Jake? I just go, no, Jake, this is the way.
You're the pro.
You are?
You're the pro.
I'm the pro. I'm the pro. Am I paying you too much? Casing's that bad. Yeah, it's that bad that I've got to drop the door down a little bit. But in here it's a bit strange because the door casing's quite high, so I can get away with bringing the door a little bit further down, I think. It won't look odd. It's my theory. But that's just a theory. A fan theory. I think we should take this bad boy off, won't you? This is the point where we got up to yesterday, doing the wardrobe and stuff. We've got all the doors on, they slide very nice. It's very cool. And then that on, and put your faceplate on that and then screw it.
Done that in it, and then knifed around it.
But you just put that
Just
on.
put that on, yeah.
That's your mistake. That's why that's off. You put when you're doing them, put that on first. Part the holes, take that out, all of it out, then you put it on. And it's in the exact place that was. Don't get yourself down about it. Open your door. Bloody expensive door. I'm joking. I'm joking. Shut up, Jason. Shut up, I hate you.
Yeah, it's fine.
I hate you. This is what I've been doing. Whilst Jake's been faffing around, doing that door. Look at that. No rattle. It's awesome. Well, the push lock one, so you push it in and no one can get it from the other side, but you can. And then, lovely.
Do me justice, that door.
What?
You are?
Don't do you justice?
Yeah. Like, it's like...
Nah, doing about a little mistake of his. Anyway, we had to take off all the arc around the top because it was, what's it called? Wire trunked in? Something like that. So I have to redo all the arcs so it's nice.
Any words?
No. I'm really hungry though.
Jason's fasting, aren't you?
I am fasting. I am fasting, please lose some weight. Stop outing me! What's wrong with you? Jason's fat. 88. Were you just giving that a go? Were you just going, ow, look?
No, I was...
Just
7. Okay.
75. 75, so it's 75, 88. Jake, don't. You're just wrong. You are just wrong, right?
You're just doing it too big so you can play it down, aren't you?
Biggest measurement, describe it.
That's what I was right, but technically...
No, you were wrong. You just 70 mil. He's gonna go check. He's gonna embarrass himself. Let's just watch.
I said 70 mil. Yeah, you're 65 up here, people.
And he said 70 mil at his biggest.
Nah, I only measured twice, didn't I? That's 70, I don't know where you're 75 from.
The bit that you've not measured in.
Where? Where? Here.
Ta-da!
Fair enough.
Ta-da! It's a revelation.